In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Elrond future while talking about Egld cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Elrond. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Elrond is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Elrond succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Elrond value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Elrond and its to-date history. What is Elrond? Elrond plans to be the following web-scale blockchain with a high throughput. Elrond is attempting to construct a blockchain that is fit for 1000x exchange throughput than most existing blockchains. What are Elrond's key highlights? 1. Adaptive state sharding. Constant parting and converging of shards as the interest for network limit changes. Whenever, the Elrond blockchain will shuffle between network sharding, exchange sharding, and state sharding, making the organization limit profoundly pliant as client request requires. 2. Secure evidence of stake agreement system. In accordance with sharding, the Elrond blockchain chooses different validators inside every shards in each approval round. 3. Elrond VM. The Elrond virtual machine is a committed shrewd agreement execution motor based on WASM. Designers can expand on the EVM in whichever language they knew about to be assembled in WASM. How to stake on Elrond. Marking on Elrond should be possible either as a 1. Validator or 2. Delegator, with at least 10 Egld per designation. Validator rewards are disseminated consequently. Dynamic delegator rewards are claimable one time each day, with no time limit for claims. Elrond value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022 1110. Plus 2.83% $60 91 2022 1111 2.80% $57 58 2022 1112 3.00% $57 46 2022 1113 plus 2.53% $60 73 2022 1114 6.54% $55 36 2022 1115 plus 0.82% $59 72 2022 1116 5.55% $55 94 2022 1117 5.01% $56 27 2022 1118 6.11% $55 61 2022 1119 4.32% $56 67 2022 1120 8.54% $54.17 Elrond value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NA. 4.96% $56.29 2022 DEC. 27.22% $43.11 2023 Jan. 32.44% $40.02 2023 Feb. 28.24% $42.50 2023 Blemish. 17.36% $48.95 2023 Abra. 17.36% $48.95 2023 May. 12.35% $51.92 2023 June. 1.18% $58.54 2023 July. 3.13% $57.38 2023 August. Plus 1.41% $60.07 2023 Sep. Plus 6.09% $62.84 2023 August. Plus 14.00% $67.52 EGLD value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees EGLD coming to $120.83 in 2025. What will EGLD be worth in 5 years? The cost of EGLD in 5 years could lie around $103.31. Elrond value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Elrond will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Elrond coming to $302.08 in 2030. What Elrond will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Elrond coming to $604.17 in 2040. Will Elrond supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Elrond won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Elrond at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Elrond could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is Elrond worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably dangerous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Elrond merits purchasing. Is Elrond a wise speculation? Elrond is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Elrond be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $34.47. In the long haul, it could leap to $302.08 or significantly higher. For what reason will Elrond succeed and get more expensive? Elrond has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Elrond ascending to $302.08 in 2030. For what reason will Elrond fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting procedure. Losing local area support. Expected weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Elrond go? Our determining model sees Elrond value detonating and coming to $604.17 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Elrond?